So guys, as you can see, I got the Endeavor tore apart. Now if you're having trouble with your power window switches like I am, you might want to pick you up a new switch. I got this and supposed to be tested and working. And as you can see, this is working, but my door lock was working before I installed this. But anyway, I've been having trouble with my power windows. So, short story is I got a ton of broke wires that was in this rubber boot right here. They all gonna have to be reconnected. Basically, my back windows worked if you're in the back seats, but the master switch would not. You can hook the yellow wire back up and my back windows work. So I got some soldering iron and some heat shrink. I'm gonna do this repair and see if it fixes my window. If it does, then this might be your problem. Anyway, I had to repair this. This is did away with the boot, but this is a wire. I had about 4 broken wires in here. That's how come the windows ain't working. I still got to make this hook back up over here. I done got the door panel on. I done tested the windows. Everything pretty well works again, like it should. How about that one? I think I have a wire over there, so I will check out soon. Don't mind the kitty cat, he's a freak. But I hope this video is a little bit helpful. I still gotta put this cover on. If your windows ain't working and you tried to switch, before you try to switch, I recommend checking right here in the between this boot right here and see if they ain't no broken wires. Pretty short video, but might be tons of help. Thank you for watching.